In this Replicator review, I'm going to be showing you a system that's claiming it's going to make you $24.83 every 47 minutes every time other people download free apps. Now, I'm going to be telling you what this is all about and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Replicator, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you end up purchasing this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says exposed $683 billion, no selling, no traffic, breakthrough, pays us daily, done for you system, Insta prints us $24.83 every 47 minutes, every time other people download free apps, created for beginners, replicate our proven system today without selling, without experience, without waiting. So pretty hypey headline here. Essentially what this software does behind all the hype is that it creates done for you affiliate marketing websites where you can have all the content all done for you. All the pages are all done for you. The hosting, the domain name, everything's there for you. So you can just start using the site to monetize. You just add in your affiliate links. They show you exactly how to set up everything with that. But as far as like making you $24.83 every 47 minutes, we hopefully by now we know that's marketing talk, and we want to look behind the hype of these products and look at what they do and not what these crazy claims are here. So I hope so. Glenn is a super affiliate. He makes a lot of money. Here's some of the money that he made in the last 7 days. There's no doubt about that. Here's more money that he's made. These look like he's making these affiliate commissions coming in. So people are downloading apps. I mean, they're downloading them, but they're paying that for these apps. So he looks like these are affiliate commissions that he's getting from this. Now, these are beta testers, they say. I'm always really skeptical when it comes to these beta testers, like when it comes to these testimonials here. I like to, again, tell people that if you're going to purchase any of these pieces of software, don't purchase it based upon all this crazy income claims and everything. Buy it based upon what it does and not on this craziness, please. As they say, step one, you grab a copy of it. Step two, activate it. And then step three, enjoy $24.83 every 47 minutes. Come on, guys, we know that's not going to happen. Please, that's not. It's a tool that will help you in your business, not a magic button. There is no magic button. It doesn't exist. People will love to sell you the magic button, but it just doesn't exist out there. So here's more money that he's made. I don't doubt that Glenn's made this money. He's really successful. I've actually met him in real life. He's a nice guy. But this sales page, whoever did the sales copy here is stretching it here on this. Here's where that money's coming in here. You can see Warrior Plus, the money. These are commissions that he made. Look, here we go. Affiliate. Looks like he promoted a product called Clicky Pay, and he made these affiliate commissions from that. So they're using that as an angle in the sales copy. Do affiliate marketing, make money. I do affiliate marketing. I make money from it. I've made a lot of money from it. It's a great way of building a business and making money online. But there's no like magic way of doing this. So I'm going to scroll down through here, and because these pages are just ridiculously long. If you purchase this, you're going to have access to the system, the tutorials, the dump free secret portal, instant free traffic generator. They do teach you how to get traffic with this. Brand new Replicator custom tech. There is some good stuff in the back end area here with this, but again, it's hypey here. So I'm going to show you this also before we move on here. To come to the sales page, make sure you move your mouse away. You can get a discount on this. A little pop-up comes up here and you can get it's like a $3 off discount. So I make less than an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always want you to get the lowest prices on these. Give me a like if you like the fact that I do that and you want me to keep doing it in the future. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the back-end area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
Whoa, check this out. That's a screenshot showing that our members have been paid over $25,000 over the past few months. And all they had to do to make this money was use our secret platform that pays out money when other people download apps from the internet. Yes, we're getting paid at least $24.83 every time someone downloads a free app. from our secret platform. And the more apps downloaded, the more we get paid. Don't believe me? Well, here's a screenshot showing some of the earnings that I've generated using this platform and are now being directly deposited into my bank account. Now, I know this probably sounds crazy to you, but if it were possible, would you like to start doing exactly the same as us? Would you like to tap into the same system we've been using to make upwards of $24.83 for every app that is downloaded? If yes, I have some wonderful news for you, because I'm going to reveal the exact secret platform that all my members and I are using to reach our income goals. But how's this even remotely possible? How are we getting paid when other people download apps from the internet? Well, it all comes down to a loophole in the software and app industry that we've been able to exploit to replicate the earnings of some of the biggest tech firms in the world, such as Apple and Google. They pay us $24.83 every time an app is downloaded from our secret online platform. And if you'd like to start doing the same, well, now you can with the brand new Replicator. Thousands of people around the globe are generating an income online with the Replicator secret platform, which works on both desktop computers and smartphones. Which means you don't even need a computer to get started with this method, and you have the ability to get results on the go. Whenever we want to make more, we simply fire up the Replicator app, and because this works on a phone and tablets, we're able to keep this income stream rocking whilst we're on vacation, on the beach, walking around the city, and even while we sleep. No matter where we are able to get paid when other people download apps from our Replicator secret platform. Nothing as powerful as this has ever existed before, and all it takes is 3 super easy steps to get started. Step 1. Click any buy button on this page to get access to the Replicator before the price increases. Please note the price is increasing every hour. Step 2. Turn on the Profit Replicator technology inside your brand new software. This takes less than a few seconds. And step 3. Cha-ching! We're getting paid every time someone downloads an app from our Replicator secret portal. This allows us to receive daily payments directly into our bank accounts, via direct deposit, or to our PayPal accounts. If you can follow those simple steps, you'll see success with the Replicator software and system. This software has been created from the ground up for beginners just like you, so you can finally see real results online. Are you the kind of person who's always downloading the latest apps on your phone and tablet? Or maybe you're the kind of person that is always buying the latest shiny softwares on your computer. Well, today, my friend, with the Replicator software, you're getting a chance to get paid when other people download the exact same apps that we all use and buy on a daily basis. You're not going to find anything simpler than the Replicator software and system. All we have to do is get other people to download apps, which they're already doing anyway. I've seen hundreds of different systems myself, and nothing comes close to the simplicity of Replicator. Now you may be wondering, what's a fair price for a proven system that has stuffed our online accounts with $24.83 payments over and over again? Well, $397 monthly would cover our cost of development and ongoing support. And even if you just got a fraction of the results of our beta testers, Replicator would pay for itself many times over. But we realize the people that need this the most may not be comfortable with such a high monthly subscription. So, for an extremely limited time, we're eliminating recurring fees and slashing the cost to less than the price of a takeout dinner. On top of that, we put together a loaded bundle of custom money-making bonuses worth over $8,472. You won't find these anywhere else because we've custom created these specifically for Replicator. And if you're one of the first 100 buyers, you'll also be getting our extra special traffic bonus just for the first few buyers. As amazing as the bonuses are, the most important thing is that Replicator works as advertised for you. Because we've all been burned before, and we want this to be a great experience for you. You're getting an industry-leading 180-day money-back guarantee, which means you have more than enough time to try Replicator. And if you don't get results, we'll give you your money back and give you free coaching for as long as it takes to get you making profits. It doesn't get any better than that. Life's full of choices, but if you're looking for a shortcut to amazing results online, this is an easy one. Grab Replicator now during this special launch for just a rock-bottom one-time fee, and let's make your dreams a reality.
Okay, so this is the back end area here where you set up, like you have your site here. If you click on visit site, you can go over and actually take a look at the website that this creates for you. It creates this deals website where you have all your different like affiliate reviews here on it that you can make money with every time someone goes and purchases those through your link here. They also have training on how to set everything up. They do a good job with that. You have your products, your affiliate links in here, your free traffic, All that set up in a nice members area. Now, again, like I said, this is pretty hypey, but they actually do a good job with the actual software of it and the tutorial aspect of it. So good job there. If we move on here, there are a bunch of OTOs that go along with this. Well, one thing I wanted to show you, I did show you as well. So there's an order bump here. So you might be offered this little thing where if you click yes, you can add on this little extra thing here for 10 bucks. That's optional there. So, oh yeah, that first OTO, first upgrade is unlimited. So you can do unlimited. It looks like you can do like unlimited reviews and stuff with this. It's going to remove any limits on your front end purchase. Now, what you can do with this is you want to move your mouse away, and what happens there, it brings the price down from 47 to 37, so you get a $10 off, $10 discount. So again, I make less by showing this to you, but I want to make sure that you guys get the lowest prices. Please give me that like if you like that I do that and you want me to keep doing it. Okay, next one here is done for you. So this is a done for you version of this. Move your mouse away. You can bring that price down $100 to $97. Next one here, it says unlimited traffic. So you can get even more traffic with this and tap into, I believe this is putting your pixel, your Facebook remarketing pixel on their sales page. So you can bring that price down to 67. The next one here is you can put it on autopilot. So they've got an autopilot version of it. You can bring that price down to 37 if you move your mouse away. This one here is let us do all the hard work while you sit back and relax and get paid. So it looks like another an ATM edition. I'm not quite sure what this is, but if you move your mouse away, you can bring the price down $100 to $47. The next one here, you get 99 of their best products for $47 cents each. You can bring that price down to 37. Next one, you can get resale rights, bring the price down from $167 to $67. Another one here, you supercharge, you can clone their business. So you can bring that price down to just $19. Next one here, would you like to generate $50 by pressing a button? That would be great, but I'm not sure what that is. But here it's $19 for that one if you move your mouse away. And the last one here is you can join, I believe this is like a coaching program of theirs, and you can bring that price down to 37 here. So lots of OTOs. Don't get angry. I know some people get really angry. There's so many upsells. Like pick and choose which ones you want. Get the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Replicator and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, it's the fact that the sales page is super hypey. Way too much hype on there. The whole thing about like 24.83 every 47 minutes. It's a marketing way of talking about this. It's not a magic button. Just know that this is about affiliate marketing and not some magic system. What do I like about this? I love the fact that this is a completely done for you website. You can go out there if you want to and build one with WordPress and pay for your own hosting and set up your own website and set up your themes and your plugins like I did. Or you can have a completely done for you system that's set up for people that are just getting started. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Replicator, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.